She's always on my mind. From the time I wake up till I close my eyes, she's everywhere I go. She's all I know. And though she's so far away, it just keeps getting stronger every day. And even though she's gone, I'm still holding on. But tell